Right now, sentiment in education is on the rise at plus 0.17, with momentum hitting plus 0.34 over the last 24 hours. This uptick is noteworthy because it stands out against a historical baseline that has typically shown more fluctuating sentiment. You're looking at 19 semantic clusters, indicating diverse yet connected conversations emerging around education topics. When you query our API, you get a comprehensive analysis of sentiment, trends, and thematic clusters in real time. For example, if you're developing an educational app, you could leverage this data to tailor content that resonates with current sentiments, enhancing user engagement and satisfaction. To dive deeper into how you can integrate this into your projects, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.